Hey guys, in today's video I'm making chocolate covered strawberries and I'm decorating them to make them look like little footballs for Super Bowl next weekend. This is great for beginners because all you're doing is dipping the strawberries in chocolate and just piping little laces on them. They're very simple and beginner friendly. So what you're going to need today is some strawberries. I already pre-washed these and picked out the ones that I wanted to use. Chocolate to melt down and dip the strawberries in. I've never tried this kind before and I thought it'd be fun to try it out today. White baking chips that we're going to melt down to pipe on the laces. Wax paper to put the strawberries on after you dip them. So I went ahead and melted the chocolate, and just like when you melt regular chocolate, you want to do it in 30-second intervals and mix in between each one. And that'll make sure you don't overheat the chocolate. And when it's nice and melted and glossy, it's ready to go. So here we're gonna dip our first strawberry. I'm gonna hold it by the stem and dip it all the way almost to the stem. Swirl it around. And then scrape off the excess and place it right on your parchment paper. And you're gonna do the same thing for each one. Looking good, guys. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge to let the chocolate harden, and then we'll be back to pipe on the little laces. Now that the chocolate is hardened, I'm going to go ahead and pipe on the laces. I melted my white chocolate and I put it in a piping bag with a size 1 tip. If you don't have a piping bag, you can also just use a regular Ziploc bag and cut a very small tip off the corner. And then you're gonna wanna do a couple practice runs on some wax paper before you do it on the strawberries. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the strawberries. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, would you please hit the like button? And if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.